Welcome student. In this video we will discuss about integration of art with subject. Meaning of integration. Integration is the act of combining or adding part to make unified whole. Integration means combining art with the teaching of different curricular area. Integration of art with subject. Subjects such as language, social studies, science and mathematics can be made to connect with art. Sometimes art can be clarify the subject concept very easy. Art integrated with the language learning. Visual art can be easily integrated with the grammar part of language. For example, while learning the concept of verbs such as crying, running, eating, etc., student can make the pictures of these doing actions and easily learn the concept. In performing art, while throughout of the chapter or story, a teacher can use different puppet as she can use sticks puppet to depict as a character of the story and make learning creative. Art integrated with the science. Visual art in the science student go through various topics and some of these can easily integrated with art. For the concept of food, student can make different fruit with the help of clay and then classify them. Performing art science can be easily learned through performing art. If one create jungle scene and drama related to the science concept, the student also learn different body part which can also be acted by a student by action, etc. Art integrated with maths. Visual art is maths. The student learn the concept of different shapes. For this, student can make different shapes with the help of clay and recognize them. Performing art for the concept of clock and time, all the student can perform as watch and move according them. Increasing and decreasing order can be taught through the different height of students. Art integrated with social studies. Visual art in social studies, we learn three: geography, history and civics. For the concept of different zone of earth, one can prepare model of earth and learn through it. Also can make the effective chart of solar system. In the history, most related to the king, which can be depicted by puppet. Performing art. Many historical and classical dance can only be expressed by performing art. For the concept of our leader, a drama or act is one of the best options in which students depict themselves as leaders. Thank you very much for watching this video.